Hi folks, today I bring you a panel that is a little different from the usual panels we have already covered here. The driver itself is a UCN5812. We have already covered it, so today we will not waste time with it. The panel consists of the converter 12 volts DC to the whole voltage necessary to the panel working. In this case, the plus 9 volts, less 9 volts for the interface RS232, the 5 volts logic, and the 30 volts necessary to the segments and the grids. Have a microcontroller, the interface serial, of course, connector RJ45, and have also a connector type ISP in the system program to load the code at microcontroller. The pins present in this connector is the VSS, INT2, TXD, RXD, and the VCC. The VFD itself has 10 by 7 segments digits, which make it unable to represent all alphanumeric characters. However, I would like to highlight the curious way they created a table capable of representing the majority of the characters while using the format small and caps lock. The panel belongs to a point of sale, a POS, like the SAM4S SPS Score 2000 display, and it is one option of the rear display to the POS. It was a microcontroller with the reference W75E065 PLCC caps format, which is responsible for receiving data from the serial port and sending it to the driver. It expects to receive a burst of the 10 characters and proceed to format and send to the driver UCN5812. I did not download the code present in the microcontroller to avoid touching the copyrights. I used it as it was loaded, and it served perfect as intended to show the use of the panel. To communicate with the panel, we use the settings of 19200 baud rate with 8 bits, no parity, one stop bit. We make the cross of the TX with RX and have done a shunt between the CD, DTR and DSR. Also apply a shunt between the RTS and the CTS. After restart the panel, we'll receive the 3 zeros with a dot. Like I referred before, the processor responsible to send the burst of characters to the driver expects to receive a number of the 10 characters, and after we'll send these 10 characters to the driver VFD. I will send now 10 numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Enter. And as you can see, the panel represented the numbers we have sent. I revert to the order now: 9, 8, 7, 1, 0. The order is revert of the numbers. And if I want to send a message, for example, hi folks, I need have 2 spaces and after send, and as you can see, you reach the HI space FOL the K is missing, okay, and after you have S. Like I referred before, the displays with the 7 segments cannot represent all alphanumeric numbers and letters, and in this case is missing the K. Now I will try send the A, B, C, D, E, F, E. As you can see, um, the letters is not so beautiful how you can expect, but you have the A, the small a, the B, C, D, the E, F, G, H, I, and the J. The format they used to represent the G and the E and the B and A is different from the you expect, okay? But it's working, okay? Like I referred before, in the panel you have the IC responsible for the protocol, serial protocol. In this case is like a Maxim RS232. You have the processor, extal, the ISP connector, and this block here near from the RJ45 is the converter DC-DC. This converter is responsible, like I referred before, to generate all the DC voltage to use with the VFD.